for everybody dito sa bahay. So, I decided to make it for everyone kasi gusto nila yung luto ko, and I decided to grab it. A quick live, no, it's not live video, a quick video para makita yung ang process kung paano ko siya ginawa. So, ayan guys, today is Sunday, and syempre family day for everybody, and spend time with family and friends. So, ayan, normally we do this during weekends kasi marami kami makakasama dito sa apartment. So, during weekend, they're here to spend their weekends para mag-rest and be with us together and stuff like that. So, ayan guys, I'm gonna make Sinigang na baboy! So, ayan, this is my way of making it. So, for those of you that are new to my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, this is Annie's to the Wanderer. I'm on my pajama right now. So, ayan. Don't forget to click the notification bell, guys, so that ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming videos na aking i-upload every time or in the future. So, ayan, I hope you guys will watch until the end. So, enjoy watching my sinigang na baboy for lunch. guys, nakita nyo, nine of us. Hindi pa yan kompleto ha. Yung iba hindi pa nag-day off. So, I think like si Roselda wala, si Dina wala. Sino pa ba? Yeah, so 9, 10, 11. 11 dapat kami. So, yes, we had our big lunch. And everybody enjoy, of course. So now everyone is resting and I'm gonna take a shower, and of course movie time. This is what we do during weekends. Sometimes we go out, and if we don't, we spend some time together and movie and rest then, kasi syempre during weekdays we work so hard, so we deserve this. So, yes, I hope you enjoy, guys, and see you around. Thank you for watching. Bye!